Okay, I'm coming to the last post, guys. Lesson number 8. In this lesson, the robot is finishing abandoning the goods. From here, it will retreat here. Once done, turn left. Turn left and run to the junction of this block. However, at this time I still had the lights on, so I still hadn't reached the finish line yet. Then I'll turn a little bit this way, turn a little bit right, I'll go here and I'll turn back here. Get the LED T. Once done, run to catch the T and turn a little. Light number 1 hectare, I lower the boom, I will weigh the goods here. After weighing the goods, I will run back here. Run to the finish line.
All right.
I will check the code. Well, the code for this article is that it has one part. Go towards the restaurant. This. I went to the ID section. This. So, after it finishes abandoning the goods, it will. There's this part. It will back up, turn left, return to area T, which is right near the finish line. Go right a bit, go a bit to catch the T. And go to the section and go to the restaurant. Below is the basic part. This is the restaurant part. When it starts, it turns on the yellow light, then it will move forward a bit and lower the lever. And the female crab needs to go to the left. Then it will turn on the blue light and go left, and then lift the lever up.
Sweep.
Once done, it's time to reach the finishing area. The finish area is located here. And it will turn to the right. Run straight home. Turn off the lights. Then flash the light. This is my entire program running from scratch. Slowly reduce the words to a summary here. Now I will rerun this entire section. You guys watch. There was an error at that part, so I stopped. Run again from the beginning. Run again from the beginning. First it has to start. Run through the authentication area Ha. Retreat and return to the completed processing area. That's a mistake. It's an error again. It can fail many times, so you have to be patient and rerun it. Get an authentication. About the prohibited goods handling area. Here it is quite careful about catching the robot, it will fail. Then, next we will process customer information. Okay, looks like it was successful. Once done, I will get the ID of the package I delivered. Okay, it was successful. Number 4 will pass now. I will take it and type it into bucket Ha, select bucket number 4. That's exactly right. And it will drop in on delivery. Then he ran back to this place, ran, and went straight to the restaurant. Now it's completely baseless. So the store is defective. I will run again. When I connect the books, There are a lot of them, the probability of errors is very high. I have to learn how to fix mistakes, and you will learn later. Do it carefully. Okay, I'll get the ID. ID number 2. ID number 2. I ran to the area. When picking up the goods, I will pick up the correct ID number 2. Oh, that's wrong. Food is wrong. And I'll go to the restaurant area. Okay, the store was a success. And it will return to the starting area. End of program. Okay. Today's lesson is finished. Thank you.